All right, good afternoon. This video is all about just solving these trig equations. They're already set up for you. Tomorrow in class, we will go over how to set them up. But again, I just want you to get used to just figuring out how to solve and then using the calculator again, okay? So this kind of builds on what we did on Monday with solving or with just simplifying those expressions, okay? So there's two things you need to know. As you can see, all of these are set up for you already, okay? So all we have to do is solve. And you notice we have some variables in the numerator or in the top, like these, okay? And then some variables are in the bottom, like these. You will solve these differently based on where that variable is, okay? So up at the top, I'm going to write it. When the variable is on top, multiply. Okay. Now, if you can guess, when variable is on the bottom, we do the opposite. Is on bottom, we divide. All right. So I'm going to show you how that works. All right. So number one, the variable is on the top. Okay. So what you do is you take all of this, sine 56 and 13, and multiply it together. So it looks like this. 13 times sine 56 equals x. All right, and then you plug this in the calculator. All right. So that's why we've been practicing with the calculator here. 13 times sine 56, and you're good. You know what? I forgot to do the mode. Wow. Just like when we were doing the the expressions, always check your mode. Make sure it is in degrees. Okay, you can see it was in radian before. It was like that before. So make sure you are in degrees. Arrow over, click that, because you're going to get a different answer here. I'm going to copy that down and hit enter. You can see completely different answer from what the radian mode is. So 0.78. All right. Again, if you need a little instruction here, click on mode. Where is it? Click on mode, which is right next to the second button, the blue button. Click on mode, and then arrow down to radian degree, that line, and make sure that degree is highlighted in black. If radian was highlighted in black like that, you would just arrow over to degree and hit enter, and then hit clear, and then you're good to go. Okay? All right, so back to the math. When the variable is on top, you multiply everything. Okay? 13 times sine of 56. All right? And then when the variable is on the bottom, we divide. So what you do is you take the x, you take the cosine of 31, and you switch their places. So it looks like this. X is now on the left side of the equal sign. The 11 is still on top, and then cosine 31 is now on the bottom. So you switch their spots. So now we're in the division. Okay, 11 divided by cosine of 31, and you get your answer, 12.83. Okay. So I will set this on. I will set number 3 and 4 up for you, and you do the rest of the sheet, and submit it to the assignment. Okay. So you can see number 3, the variable's on the bottom. When it is on the bottom, you divide. So it looks like this. X equals 19 stays the same, and then you put the sign of 63 on the bottom, and then you divide. Okay? Divide. Number 4, the variable is on the top. You just multiply this with this. So 18 times tan of 16 equals X, and you multiply. Okay? Finish up the page. Write down everything. Finish up the page. Submit it to the assignment. If you have any questions, please join Zoom and let me know. Thanks.